Hello friends, welcome to our channel that is Ed Wolves, and today we are going to see a very typical problem, that is find the current through 4 ohm resistance. So this is my 4 ohm resistance and I need to find the current that is flowing through 4 ohm resistance. As you can see, there are many voltage and current source provided to us in a single network. Okay, so this current source is parallel to this resistance. I know if the current source is parallel to our resistance, I can actually use a source transformation technique to find a corresponding voltage. So what this technique, source transformation technique and mesh analysis technique do, they actually help us to simplify the network so we can find our desired value. So in this problem, I will again use a source transformation technique in which I will try to convert all the given source in a single voltage source. So if I find the voltage across the 4 ohm resistance, if I find the voltage across the 4 ohm resistance, I can easily find the current through the 4 ohm resistance, because I know the current through 4 ohm is nothing but voltage upon 4 ohm. Okay, so the voltage across the 4 ohm resistance is just needed to find in accordance with to find the current through a 4 ohm resistance. The another method to find the current through 4 ohm resistance is, after simplifying this circuit into a single resistance and this 4 ohm and a battery source, I can, this is my 4 ohm resistor and this is R equivalent. I don't know the value, but I will convert this whole resistor and source thing into to get the corresponding voltage, that is V and R. So I can use my mesh analysis technique to find the current. Okay, and that is all we needed. So I will try to simplify, in short, I will try to simplify the given network as much as possible so I could find my desired value. So I will use first the source transformation technique. Okay, so the by source transformation technique, source transformation technique, I will find the new voltage, that is V is equals to I R, and the current value is given to us, that is 5 ampere, and the resistance is 2. So it will comes out to be V 5 into 2, V is equal to 10 volt. So this is my new voltage value. We know that when a current source is converted to a voltage source, the resistance which is in parallel with the current source, which is in parallel with a current source, will now come into a series with a voltage source. So this resistance is parallel with a current source of phi. Now this resistance will come into in series with our new voltage source. So let me redraw the circuit. So the direction of current is in upward direction, so my voltage will also be in positive in upward direction and negative in downward direction. Okay, remember this thing. So my diagram will look like this, that is a voltage source of 10 volt, which is new. Now the resistance which is in parallel with the current source, now in voltage source, came in series. So this is my resistance in series of 2 ohms. Okay, afterward, what is in my diagram, that is a 6 volt battery and these two things. So let me also consider this 6 volt battery, that is like this, and a current source again, and my resistance of 4 ohms. This is a current source of 2 ampere. Okay, my current source of 2 ampere and this is the voltage source of 6 volt. Okay, so looking in between this two point, you can see there is a two voltage source of 6 ohm and 10 ohms in same branch. What I will do, I will combine this two voltage source. So combine the two voltage source. So if you see, the 10 volt is positive in a upside, and the 6 volt is negative at the right side. Okay, what this is mean, you know that while we add or subtract the voltage on the basis of the direction of positive and negative terminals. Okay, so simply the combined voltage source will become plus 10 minus 6. Why? Is just because start your start your journey from this positive one direction, and we know that when we go from negative terminal of a battery to positive terminal of a battery, the voltage increases, and when we go from a positive terminal of a battery to negative terminal of a battery, the voltage decreases. So when we go from 10 volt, the voltage actually increases, while going from 6 ohm volt, the voltage actually decreases. Hence we have put the minus 6 and plus 10. So the combined voltage comes out to be 4 volt. So this branch have a new voltage, that is 4, and the direction of that voltage is like this, because this is the direction of 10 ohm, which is like this. Okay, so bigger voltage direction is the direction of the combined voltage. Now this is the resistance, which is of 2 ohms. This is my current source and my 4 ohm. This is the current source of 2 ampere, and this is my new voltage of 4 volt. Now again you can check out over here that this 2 ampere current source and 2 ohm are in parallel to each other. So we can again combine these two things to form a voltage source. Okay, combining 2 ampere with 2 ohms. So my voltage V is equals to I, that is 2 into 2, comes out to be 4 volt. Okay, my new voltage is of 4 volt, and the direction of that voltage is like, I will simply state that direction in a diagram. So this is my 4 volt voltage source, this is my resistance of 2 ohm, and this is the direction of my new voltage, that is 4 volt over here, and my resistance of 4 ohm. Now again you can see that there is two voltage source in a branch in a series, so we can add them or subtract them on the basis of their positive and negative terminals. So start journey from your 4 volt source from here and go up to here and find the direction, and do the accordance with that direction, do addition or subtraction on this 2 voltage source. So you can see over here this voltage source is negative in this negative terminal in this direction and positive terminal in this direction, hence the two voltage source get added to each other. So the total voltage become 4 plus 4, which comes out to be 8 volt. Okay, so this is my total voltage, and my final diagram will look like this, that is the total voltage, my resistance, my 4 ohm resistance, this is 2 ohm resistance, and this is 8 volt. Now I will find the current I by using mesh analysis. So, or by saying apply KVL by KVL, we can find the current in this loop. So start your equation of KVL from the battery, that is 8 volt. So 8 equals to 2 into I plus 4 into I. So it comes out to be 8 equals to 6 I. Therefore I equals to 6, sorry, I equals to 8 upon 6. 2 4s are 2 3s are. So I comes out to be 1.33 ampere. So the current through 4 ohm resistance is 1.33 ampere. If you really like our video and it seems that it is helping you for your study purpose, please share our video, like our video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.